Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 10 microphone not working problem. First method is click Start, Settings, click Update and Security. Click Troubleshoot, click Additional Troubleshooters. Click Recording Audio, click Run the Troubleshooter. Second method is click Start, Settings, click Privacy. Click Microphone. Make sure turn on microphone access for this device. Turn on Allow apps to access your microphone. Turn on Allow desktop apps to access your microphone. Third method is type mmmsys.cpl in Windows search bar, click mmmsys.cpl. Click Recording tab, select Microphone, click Set Default, click Properties. Click Use this device Enable. Click Levels tab, set maximum to microphone. Fourth method is type Device Manager in Windows search bar, click Device Manager. Click and expand audio input and outputs, right-click microphone. Click Update Driver. Fifth method is type Device Manager in Windows search bar, click Device Manager. Click and expand audio inputs and outputs, right-click microphone, click Uninstall device. Restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.